Right, so you've got your action camera and you've got your head strap that you'd normally put around your head, but what we're actually going to do is put it on the passenger seat headrest. And you'll end up with a setup like this, and it literally takes about 10 seconds to put on. The only caveat to this is you will need one of the latest GoPros or DJI action cameras, because you'll need good image stabilization on it. So just make sure you're not doing it with something that's too old and can't handle a little bit of vibration. This is obviously a quick fix. If you're going to be doing lots of videos, you want something a bit more permanent, like I've got when I do different ones, but just for something quick, it's pretty good. Thanks.